Hey you guys! Welcome back to another review of Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw ML from Sonic X. If you must know, ML is, well, he was designed to destroy as a combat robot. He was built a long time ago on Sonic's world. And, well, during the series, he was more of a nice guy. He has the ability to copy other fighting techniques, like in Sonic, like in the original Sonic games. If you must know, ML was only seen in Sonic X, the series, but he was a nice guy at first, but during this tournament, he came in contact with a Chaos Emerald, and he ended up destroying the entire city. And he would have kept going if Cream and Cheese hadn't stepped in, pushed him into the ocean, and destroyed him. I feel bad for what happened to him, but I hope to see ML again one day, and see him in action, like in the show. Someday I'll have my own show and have ML in it. If you must know by now, ML is in Pokemon, if he was considered as a Pokemon, I would make him an electric and fighting type. Yeah, that's possibly it. Okay, so I started off with the head, then his body. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw his legs here. Okay, here, next up, you just gotta draw his leg. These circular parts that connect his legs to his body. Done with that. Next up, there's Emel's leg. Now I'm going to draw his other leg. Okay, so now that that's done, okay, next up you just gotta draw his other hand. I hope someday they'll find ML and rebuild him back on Chris's homeworld. And that's about it. Pretty cool, huh? I don't know why he has this shell on his head. It kind of reminds me of Oshawott Scout Shop. Anyways, that's how you draw ML. And I hope to see you guys next time on what I should draw next. And have a nice weekend.